Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. I'm so excited because this is the first time I ever do something like this, so wish me luck. I'm actually going to be showing you how to get this look. I hope you guys like it. If you're brand new to my channel, well, welcome. My name is Gabby, and also, like I mentioned before, this is something completely new that I'm trying out. So I hope you guys like it. Please bear with me. This is the first time I ever do something like this. If you notice, actually my YouTube page is all about my singing because I love singing. But trying something new never hurts. And I do love makeup, so why the heck not? So if you want to get this look, keep on watching. This is what it looks like. So what I'm going to be using is the MAC Strobe Cream, the Hydratant, to give my skin a more glowy look. So let's use it. For my eyebrows, I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills in medium brown. What I use to clean them up, pretty much, I just use like my concealer. So for concealer, I'm gonna actually, to highlight my brow bone, for my brows, I'm using the Maybelline New York Age Rewind, the Instant Age Rewind. So the brush I'm gonna be using is actually from MAC. It's the 135 brush. 135 brush. Typically, I'm gonna use a beauty blender. I'm gonna be trying out Tarte's new Shape Tape foundation. So it's literally in its package. I haven't tried it. I haven't opened it. So the one I got is a hydrating foundation in light sand. So I've heard really good things about it. So pretty much my skin is like a combination of dry and oily. But it's more, I feel like it has its moments where it's like more oily at times or more dry and like other times, I don't know. But overall my skin is really like a combination of both. Obviously in some spots more than the rest. So let's try this. It smells good. Like, I don't know. It smells so like hydrating. I don't know. It's like not full coverage. It's like really, really lightweight. I'm gonna try like one more to see if it covers more. And I didn't add anything to the shaper, their shaper sponge. I didn't try anything, I didn't use anything. I just went straight forward. But let me add to see if it would increase, I'm gonna try it too. Then and let me add some I'm running low, so okay, so I used a little bit more, and it's having like a more like full coverage. Actually, I'm liking this. I'm gonna add a little bit. Next, what I'm just gonna go in with is with my concealer. So like I mentioned before, I'm actually using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in light pale. Okay, so and I'm just gonna apply this like on the high points of my face, and I'm just gonna blend it out. Next, I'm just gonna set my face. I'm actually just going to be using the High Definition Powder by E.L.F. It's all dirty. The Translucent Powder by them, by E.L.F. This just does not like to focus. But anyways, I'm just going to be using the E.L.F. Complexion Brush. It's pretty fluffy. To set my face. After setting your face, all I'm gonna do, I'm actually just gonna contour my face. I'm gonna keep using the E.L.F. brushes. I'm gonna be using the professional bronzing brushes. So when contouring my face, what I like using, I just start from the top and just work my way in like small strokes. And then I also like going like in circular motions. And then I also just do like my temples and the outer face and my nose. For my highlight, I'm just going to be using the MAC 100 brush. Looks like this. Like also curvy. You can actually use this brush to contour or highlight your face. I like using it to highlight. And for my highlighter, I'm going to be using the MAC Soft and Gentle Mineralized Skin Finish 825. Looks like that. For my eyes, I'm actually going to go back into the Milani Illuminating Face Powder to go back and actually just, I'm going to use it for my eyelids. For my eyelids, I'm actually just going to be using a flat brush. To give my eyelid a little color. And I'm just going to do the same thing to my next one. The inner corner of my eye. Just going to be going back into my highlight and using that. And then pretty much just to finish this look, I'm just going to add eyeliner and lashes. So lashes, eyeliner and lashes are on. So for this look, you can either go with bright lips or something nude. But because, like I mentioned, this is just gonna be like pretty much like an all natural look, like an everyday look, I'm gonna actually just be going into with my lips with the NYX lip cream in the color Zurich, and pretty much it's just like a nude. It's a soft matte lip cream. I keep forgetting this is not gonna, like, this is like really not gonna focus, but yeah, I'm gonna be using this for my lips, and then I'm just gonna set my face with some setting spray by MAC, and voila, we're done. And this is the final look. Is that the face every like makeup artist or whatever influencer do?